According to the popular saying, health is wealth, this statement holds a lot of truth in it. And one of the easiest ways to attain perfect health is by eating right. Oftentimes, we put a lot of focus on what we shouldn't be eating, rather than focusing on what we could add to our diet to improve our health. When you think of the times when what you eat is very important, breakfast and dinner naturally come to mind, and there's a reason for that. At breakfast, your body is just getting ready for the day, and what you eat could basically define your whole mental and physical status, and even your overall health over time. Dinner is equally important, and it is probably the last meal you eat before going to bed. Eating the wrong food for dinner could have serious effects on your health and might even cause you to have trouble with sleep. Subsequently, your dinner affects a major part of your health, and this makes eating a healthy dinner all the more important. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ambestlie. We are here to give you the most informative yet entertaining videos. In today's video, we'll take a look at the healthiest foods you should eat for dinner. Let's dive right in. Number 10. Wheat berries. Wheat berries are a wonderful replacement for most grains. They have a nutty flavor and a sweet taste. Wheat berries are obtained from wheat kernels, processed to be used in making such things as bread. They typically contain the entire part of the wheat kernel, which means they contain a lot of nutrients. 1 cup cooked serving of wheat berries contains 8 grams of fiber and 12 grams of protein. They are readily available and can easily be purchased at any health food store. As a member of the whole grain family, they help reduce the risk of heart problems, help to keep your gut healthy, and improve your body's sensitivity to insulin, thereby lowering blood sugar. Another plus is that the components in wheat berries make it easily digestible, which is important for any food eaten as dinner. They are also very flexible in the kitchen, as they can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is not your average vegetable. It's packed with nutrients and offers significant health benefits. Half a cup of cabbage contains 1/3 of the daily amount of vitamin C your body needs. It contains fiber, which makes it excellent for dinner, and important minerals like folate, magnesium, and potassium. Additionally, it has its fair share of vitamin A and K, making it an excellent choice to improve your eyesight. Another good thing about cabbage is that it can be eaten raw, making it less stressful to add to your meal, although you may decide to cook it or even ferment it. You may be wondering how something that's fermented is healthy. Well, it means you probably have not tried the Korean dish kimchi, which uses a specific type of cabbage called Napa cabbage. Fermented cabbage contains natural probiotics that help nourish the bacteria in your gut, increasing their ability to fight other bacteria and to digest food in your body. Number 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain a huge amount of lycopene, which is good for reducing the risk of cancer and heart diseases. They also contain carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin K, and minerals like potassium and folate. Tomatoes come in different colors apart from red, including orange, green, yellow, and even purple. A 100-gram raw tomato contains 0.9 grams of protein, 1.2 grams of fiber, and 3.9 grams of carbs. Carotenoids are important in lowering the risk of breast cancer. Therefore, consuming moderate amounts of tomato could possibly reduce the possibility of having breast cancer. Apart from their heart benefits, lycopene can help protect your skin against sunburn. An important point to note, however, is that lycopene content increases in cooked tomatoes rather than in raw ones. The absorption of lycopene into your body can be improved by consuming tomatoes alongside with some healthy fat. So next time you want to make your tomato sauce, you could try adding some extra virgin olive oil to improve the absorption of lycopene. Number 7. Tempeh. Tempeh is a versatile food made from the fermentation of soybeans and is a natural meat replacement for vegetarians. It is very nutritious and contains a high percentage of protein, vitamins, prebiotics, and a wide array of minerals. An 84-gram serving of tempeh contains 15 grams of proteins, 9 grams of carbs, 9 milligrams of sodium, and up to 12% of the recommended daily intake of iron. Due to its fermented nature, tempeh contains probiotics. These probiotics are bacteria that are beneficial to your health when consumed. They contribute to a healthy gut and aid in the digestion of food. Soybean products generally contain isoflavones, which are known to reduce the level of cholesterol in the human body. Tempeh can be eaten steamed, sautéed, baked, or even added to dishes. This makes it easy to incorporate tempeh into any dish during dinner. Number 6. Brown rice pasta. Brown rice pasta makes for a good choice, especially if you want to change the kind of pasta you eat. It contains carbs, proteins, fiber, fat, and minerals like iron. Its carb content is as high as 40 grams per 60 gram serving, and it accounts for almost 80% of the calories in brown rice pasta. Complex carbohydrates generally help in combating heart diseases and aid in proper digestion. It also contains 8% of the recommended daily intake of iron, which plays an important role in the formation of hemoglobin in the blood and helps to transport oxygen to the body. Overall, it's best to take brown rice pasta with foods rich in vitamin C, such as tomato sauce. Number 5. Lentils. Lentils come in all different types: red, green, and brown, with green lentils being better due to their higher nutrient content. Lentils are one of the most nutritious beans. Historically, they were first grown by farmers in 8000 BC around the Middle East region. A small but mighty beans, lentils are packed with a ton of proteins. In addition, they contain fibers, carbs, phytonutrients, vitamins, and minerals. A half cup of cooked lentils contains 23 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fiber, and 12 grams of protein. Lentils offer almost the same quality of proteins that you would get by eating meats, while not affecting your heart negatively. In other words, lentils are a healthier substitute for meat for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Proteins help with building bones, muscles, and even skin. Speaking of meat, lentils are also a good source of iron and can help replace the iron you would normally get from meat, especially if you don't eat meat. The vitamins and minerals they contain help reduce the risk of diabetes and cancer. Number 4. Curry. Curry is an excellent choice for a quick and satisfying meal because it is simple to prepare, family-friendly, and can be eaten in several ways. Due to the spices that curry contains, like turmeric, chili pepper, and coriander, it has great anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric, which is a major component of curry, contains curcumin. Curcumin is a major anti-inflammatory agent and helps regulate inflammatory proteins. Curry helps in reducing the risk of contracting heart diseases and also reduces blood sugar levels. One of the great things about curry is the ease in preparation, as it takes less than 30 minutes to prepare. Considering that it is a light meal, a curry dish is a great choice for dinner. Chickpea curry and sweet potato curry are particularly wonderful examples of curry recipes you can try making in the kitchen. Number 3. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are very nutritious and can be used in a variety of meals. They come in a variety of sizes and colors, from orange to white to even purple. Sweet potatoes are a great source of nutrients and contain a large amount of vitamin A, vitamin C, and manganese. They are rich in fiber and pack an amazing amount of antioxidants. Just 200 grams of baked sweet potato contains 6.6 grams of fiber, 41 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of protein. Manganese and copper are not left out, as sweet potatoes provides a good percentage of the recommended daily intake of these minerals. The fiber and antioxidants help improve gut health. Since your body is unable to digest the fiber in sweet potatoes, it stays in your digestive tract and helps in digestion and even exertion. Anthocyanins, which are the antioxidants found in these potatoes, have been shown to slow down the growth of cancerous cells, especially in the colon and stomach. To top it all up, sweet potatoes are a must-have in your diet and can be easily purchased in most produce stores. Number 2. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are a delicious and flexible dinner addition. They are stacked with vital nutrients, such as protein, fiber, and iron, just to name a few. A 165-gram serving of boiled or fried chickpeas contains up to 15 grams of protein, 13 grams of fiber, and provides 26% of the recommended daily intake of iron. The protein and fiber in chickpeas make them a good choice, especially if you'd like to reduce the amount of food you eat. Protein and fiber help to reduce the speed of digestion, which in turn makes you feel less hungry. Furthermore, their high protein content make them a good meat replacement for vegetarians. Chickpeas contains all the essential amino acids except for methionine, thus making the quality of protein present in chickpeas even better. Chickpeas contains mainly soluble fibers, which aids digestion by increasing the amount of healthy bacteria in the gut. These healthy bacteria also reduce the risk of some digestive diseases. Lastly, due to the high magnesium and potassium content, they help reduce the risk of high blood pressure and prevent heart diseases. Number 1. Salmon. Last on our list is salmon, which is loaded with important nutrients like vitamins, fatty acids, and choline. It is widely regarded as the healthiest fish you can find. A 100-gram serving of this fish would provide 25 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, and almost 85% of the daily value of selenium. Its high selenium content helps in DNA synthesis, improves reproductive health, and aids in the function of the thyroid hormone. Salmon also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which helps to decrease inflammation and to improve brain health. The omega-3 fatty acids are even more important because the body does not create them naturally. Salmon is loaded with vitamins, particularly B vitamins. These vitamins help reduce chronic inflammation and aid in the production of DNA in the body. The potassium in salmon is equally important, as it helps to control blood pressure and thereby reducing the risk of a stroke. A salmon diet will surely help reduce the risk of heart disease due to the astaxanthin it contains. Astaxanthin is a red pigment that belongs to a group of chemicals called carotenoids and is an antioxidant that can protect cells from damage. Even with its nutritional benefits, salmon is very versatile as it can be eaten canned or fresh, boiled or roasted. It is also perfect for dinner due to its easy digestion. So there you have it. Which of these foods from the list do you enjoy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great health tips. Thanks for watching, and see you soon on the next video.